Fugitive. The fugitive sought refuge in the ancient cathedral, hoping that the sanctified ground would protect him from his pursuers. Fugitive. The fugitive sought refuge in the ancient cathedral, hoping that the sanctified ground would protect him from his pursuers. Sanctified. Even during the sanctified ritual of the wedding, the bride's rebellious sister tried to steal the spotlight with her loud laughter. Sanctified. Even during the sanctified ritual of the wedding, the bride's rebellious sister tried to steal the spotlight with her loud laughter. Steal the spotlight. She didn't want to steal the spotlight from her sister's achievements, so she quietly decided to withdraw from society and enter a nunnery. Steal the spotlight. She didn't want to steal the spotlight from her sister's achievements, so she quietly decided to withdraw from society and enter a nunnery. Nunnery. With the future of the nunnery now at stake due to the new taxes, the sisters had to find a way to earn money quickly. Nunnery. With the future of the nunnery now at stake due to the new taxes, the sisters had to find a way to earn money quickly. At stake. His life was at stake, yet he feared the king's retribution more than he feared death itself. At stake. His life was at stake, yet he feared the king's retribution more than he feared death itself. Retribution. The rightist politician argued that strict retribution is the only way to maintain order in the country. Retribution. The rightist politician argued that strict retribution is the only way to maintain order in the country. Rightist. Despite his rightist views, he managed to find a commonality with the Liberal candidate regarding environmental protection. Rightist. Despite his rightist views, he managed to find a commonality with the Liberal candidate regarding environmental protection. Commonality. The only commonality between the two brothers was their meek nature, which made them easy targets for school bullies. Commonality. The only commonality between the two brothers was their meek nature, which made them easy targets for school bullies. Meek. Although he appeared meek and broken, a small vestige of his former pride still burned in his eyes. Meek. Although he appeared meek and broken, a small vestige of his former pride still burned in his eyes. Vestige. The police found a small vestige of a campfire, proving that the fugitive had spent the night in the woods. Vestige. The police found a small vestige of a campfire, proving that the fugitive had spent the night in the woods. Vestige. The police found a small vestige of a campfire, proving that the fugitive had spent the night in the woods. Vestige. The police found a small vestige of a campfire, proving that the fugitive had spent the night in the woods. Vestige. The police found a small vestige of a campfire, proving that the fugitive had spent the night in the woods.